Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. I know it's been quite some time now since we have launched our video, but finally we are here back again to share with you some of our amazing destination for your bucket list. So this time we headed toward Kerala and our destination was Wayanad. Wayanad is around 5.5 hour journey by road from Bangalore, and the best time to visit there is between October to May. So guys, again, this was a spontaneous plan, and since we got 3 days off, we thought to explore this beautiful hill station. So in our journey, we took bus from Bangalore to Wayanad, and that was early morning 7 o'clock. But there are other ways also, like you can travel by your own vehicle because the roads are very nice and the scenic beauty is really amazing. नहीं तो आप by a train भी जा सकते हैं, which will go to Mysore, and from Mysore you have to again take a bus and your own vehicle to reach to Wayanad. So जैसा कि हमारा ये spontaneous plan था, so we did not book our hotels prior, but luckily we got a good stay in Wayanad. So first our stay was in Kalpeta. So guys, again, Wayanad mein there are many good resorts and luxury stays and the normal stays as well, but since we went on a long weekend, we could not find those stays because again bookings were fully occupied. But अगर आप कभी वायनाड का प्लान कर रहे हैं, so definitely if you start looking for stays, you will definitely get as per your choice. So first day our stay was in Wayanad Hill Resort. So this stay is just 2.5 kilometers from Kalpeta old bus stop. So again, Wayanad mein there are two bus stops majorly. One is in Sultan Bathery, the other one is in Kalpeta. So our day first was in Kalpeta. So this is what our room looks like. So room की बात करें, it was a basic decent room with a good view. And just one note guys, so this resort will not offer you any dinner or lunch facility. So for dinner के लिए there is a nearby restaurant which is hardly 200 meters away, wherein you will get a good veg food. So हम लोगों ने भी अपना डिनर वहीं किया था, and then breakfast they will be organizing. We woke up next day early to witness this amazing sunrise. फिर मॉर्निंग में जल्दी ही रेडी होके हम चले गए इनके ब्रेकफास्ट करने, एंड ब्रेकफास्ट वाज आल्सो क्वाइट डिसेंट, although there were not many options, but yeah, we kind of like it. So our first destination was Ennuru. So Ennuru means my village, and it's a tribal village which is the main attraction of Wayanad. So Kalpeta say the distance is around 1 hour, and if you are planning, then we suggest better to go there early morning and as early as possible because there will be lot of crowd and then you have to wait for your token number. So हमने भी जाते ही टिकट लिया, and the ticket was around 50 per head, and that was only the entry fee. Apart from that, वहाँ पहुँचने के लिए there are jeep services, and again jeep charges are separate, and that was around 40 if you are clubbing with other people per head, and if you are taking a private vehicle or private jeep, then the charges are little higher side, around 100 per head. So guys, आप ये मत सोचिएगा that it's only few kilometers, so you can go by walk. Trust me, that will be very tiring because it's a quite long distance, so better we suggest to take a jeep. We personally really like this place because that showcases the vibrant culture and tradition of the tribal community of the state. So यहाँ पे the way they built it is like there are total 6 huts, and inside each hut there will be something unique which represent the Kerala culture. यहाँ ट्राइबल मार्केट भी है जहाँ से यू कैन परचेज स्पाइसेस, हनी एंड इवन सम हैंडीक्राफ्ट आइटम्स. And yeah, don't forget to watch this unique traditional dance. And these performances will be there in every half an hour. तो वहाँ से गुड टाइम स्पेंड करने के बाद हम निकल पड़े अपनी नेक्स्ट डेस्टिनेशन के लिए. बट उससे पहले सबसे पहले हम गए अपने होटल, चेकआउट किया एंड अनफॉर्चुनेटली दिस टाइम वी कुड नॉट हायर एनी एक्टिवा और एनी टू व्हीलर फॉर अस because again it was a long weekend and we could not do booking prior as it was a spontaneous plan. So we had to take auto and guys वहाँ पे auto easily available होते हैं because we cover entire Wayanad via auto itself. So again the charges may vary, आपको थोड़ा bargain करना पड़ेगा but definitely you will get many auto there. So next hotel what we took was Bonita Banasura, which was approx 1 kilometer from Banasura Dam, which is again a main attraction of Wayanad. Hotel was decent but हम check in करते ही हम निकल लिए हमारी destination की ओर because again the auto driver only we had asked to wait so that he can only drop us to Banasura Dam. So Banasura Dam की भी entry fee was around 40 per head. And inside there will be another counter जहाँ से आप boating tickets भी ले सकते हैं. But we suggest you better you first investigate or call them to get the tickets. And there are some online sites also where you can get the online ticket. Because जब हम लोग वहाँ पहुँचे they told us that today's slot is totally full and that is why we could not get the tickets. Even both the days we tried the next day also but we could not do it. So if you are planning to go for boating or speedboat, better search in Google. There will be sites or the government sites wherein you can directly book for the boating. But nevertheless, the dam itself is so beautiful and must visit if you are planning for Wayanad. And yes, you can end up your day while watching this beautiful sunset. डैम के एंट्री गेट के बाहर ही काफ़ी स्टॉल्स हैं जहाँ से आप स्नैकिंग एंड स्ट्रीट शॉपिंग कर सकते हैं. इवनिंग में हमने अपने होटल में ही चिल किया. एंड अगेन गाइज, इन दिस होटल ऑल्सो यू विल नॉट गेट डिनर और लंच. सो नियर बाय दे हैव अ टाई अप विद वन रेस्टोरेंट, सो दे कैन गिव यू दैट नंबर एंड यू कैन कॉल एंड प्लेस एन ऑर्डर. बट अगर आप ऑर्डर प्लेस कर रहे हैं सो मेक श्योर टू प्लेस एन ऑर्डर मैक्सिमम बाय 6:30, क्योंकि वहाँ आसपास देयर आर नॉट मच ऑप्शन एंड दिस होटल ऑल्सो टेक्स अराउंड 1 hour टू गेट योर फूड डिलीवर. नेक्स्ट डे अगेन वी वोक अप अर्ली एंड हैड ब्रेकफास्ट देयर. सो अगेन यहाँ पे ब्रेकफास्ट बुफे अवेलेबल था, सो यू कैन हैव योर ब्रेकफास्ट एंड देन स्टार्ट योर डे. And our next destination was Meenmuti waterfall. So this was around 400 to 500 meter away from our stay, and we went there by walk itself. So we went there in the month of May and it was not the best time because वहाँ पे waterfall था ही नहीं. There was nothing, only the scenic beauty you can enjoy. And if you are fond of trekking, then definitely you can go for the trekking there. There is a way for the trekkers and they can go for some 5-kilometer trek or even more than that. So finally हमने सोचा कि जैसे कि हम यहाँ आए हैं, so better go for a little trek, and we went a little far and then came back, and which is again a good experience. After this, we checked out from Bonita and checked into our new hotel, Misty Hill Resort, which was again near bus stop in Kalpeta. So this just we took for a day namesake because we thought we'll roam around, but we need some place to keep our luggage and all. And trust me, we were not expected this, but this was a decent property and which we got in a very cheap rate. So this is what it looks like. So guys, Phantom Rock के लिए again we took auto, and while going itself we asked driver that he has to wait there, क्योंकि आपको बता दें कि वहाँ पे रिटर्न के लिए आपको कोई भी पब्लिक व्हीकल अवेलेबल नहीं होगा because that place is little isolated. So better before going itself you tell your driver to wait there so that he can take you back to your destination again. So Phantom Rock is a natural formation which resembles like a human skull. So जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, it will exactly look like somebody is sitting, and you can see the skull, nose, eyes, and quite similar to human face. थोड़ा chill करने के लिए it's a very nice place, and luckily the weather was also nice that day. और there is nothing much to see apart from this rock, but definitely one time if you are visiting Wayanad, you should visit this place. So guys, ये था हमारे ट्रिप का लास्ट डेस्टिनेशन. After that we just checked out from our hotel, had dinner, and then we had a bus to Bangalore at midnight. So this is what all we did it. अगर आपको थोड़ा स्ट्रीट शॉपिंग करना है then you can do in Kalpeta market. तो ये था हमारा ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस. आपको कैसा लगा कमेंट में ज़रूर बताइएगा. And if you have some suggestion, please do share with us. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.